On this black sandy beach about a kilometer from Tokain village along Medang's north coast, members of the Environmental Committee are inspecting a new nest. A few nights ago, a leatherback turtle laid about 100 eggs here. The night before, rough seas swept away a small bamboo grid placed on the nest to protect it. The chairman of the Environment Committee, Jacob Wamber, has taken on the personal responsibility of caring for it.
Yes, tell me mangi yet. Me looking also tarosele more plan it through. Emsa come up close to. Emsa come up also plan it through long this la appoison. Emi can come up 2, 3, 4. Tasol, lawan player. Tasol go me plan looking also. All man Mary walk long benim nambis. Tamim come up now, look him now, you me was na kill him.
Like other members of the community, he's worried that the eggs won't hatch because of the rough weather.
Long side from me looking more some. Long at planted more long this area now.
Leatherback turtles are among the giants of the sea. They can grow up to 2 meters in length and can weigh as much as a small car. They are also among the Earth's oldest inhabitants, living largely unchanged for more than 100 million years. But when human beings became dominant in Earth's history, we as a species contributed to the reduction of up to 90% of leatherback turtles. Until 5 years ago, the leatherback was a highly prized delicacy for Jacob's people. But with growing awareness on the plight of the leatherback, communities along the north coast of Medang made the decision to stop killing them and to stop harvesting their eggs. Yat Paul is a member of a small organization that has taken on the responsibility of educating the young. For Yat, this is an important responsibility.
Almost looks over some trosalem got more narplawo. Emi one pla something or some one pla species inside long biodiversity blom pla we emi got place blongan na or some abus or kake blom plata so almost pikini mas looks over this plana or respect him na working or some conscious effort almost make him long. Look at him.
Many of the younger kids have only heard stories and seen pictures of the leatherback. Yat says it only shows how rare the leatherback has become.
That's all time number go down ogitana. Look se moltu looks avelo display long pla time sai got trosel come.
The people have been made aware that the leatherback has its own story. A story about a long journey from its nesting site on the north coast of Medang to Central America, Asia and Hawaii. But what's amazing about the leatherback is that it always comes back to where its life began, to lay new eggs. While the awareness of the science and the need for conservation may not appeal to people here, the story of the leatherback is one that resonates with them. Like their own long, rich history, they're seeing similarities in the story of the leatherback, one that is largely silent and largely untold. Scott Wide, National MTV News, Ley.